No. This is not the car for that. Nah, nigga. Hold on. YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Legacy Jr. coming with a brand new video. Today, we got the Mustang and Mustang Son. Looking good. What do y'all think? Should I go carbon fiber hood? So I switch out the hood. This car's been amazing, bro. It's been a really fun car. But I feel like it needs a little bit more power. A few videos back, y'all did see Papa Legacy drive the Mustang when I first got it, when I first purchased the car. He drove the car, stopped. Nothing done to the car. I think he still even had the cats on. The car was quick, but nowhere near the force that it has today. You guys did see that I had Fab Bros weld the exhaust again, the exhaust leak that I had. They ended up fixing that, and for some reason now the car has more balls, bro. The car magically got more horsepower now. Obviously, it was probably losing like pressure throughout there, back pressure, but now the car feels like it's got more horsepower to where now I feel like it's a little iffy. It gets a little squirrely. So what a better time to let my dad drive it when the car is like scary as shit, right? So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna have Papa Legacy, him in the back right here. I mean, he's got a vet, bro, but I feel like Mustang and Corvettes have a different power band, so it's gonna be a different feeling. All right, hold on. Do you think it's gonna be faster than last time? Like a lot? Or you feel like it's gonna be like whatever?
Well, you put exhaust, it's gonna be a little faster for sure.
Exhaust only. Exhaust only. I don't know why people be saying that naturally aspirated Mustangs don't need a drag pack, bro. This car for sure needs a drag pack because it spins first through second, and it's not even fully, I don't got E85 yet. I was like, if the car's spinning as it is right now, it for sure is gonna need drag pack afterwards. I want a genuine, don't macho man this shit. I want you to feel, I feel like even if you try to macho man it, the car is like kind of squirrely to where your reaction in general by itself is going like tell, like you're gonna get spooked a little bit. Give a genuine reaction of how you feel about the car. Like if it's fast, say it's fast. Don't fucking try to, my Corvette this shit, my Corvette nothing. If it's fast, tell me it's fast. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully the car stays put. Let's set the camera up, get everything rolling, and then I'll catch you on the street. God damn, boy.
Shit, it's noisy.
Mind you, all this is being filmed in Jalisco, Mexico, so ya saben, gente. If y'all not subscribed yet, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit me up on Instagram at Legacy Jr. for your shirts. We got Papa Legacy over here with the brand new. These shirts haven't came out yet, but those shirts are raw, bro.
One day we're gonna do exhaust challenge.
Against the vet?
Yeah.
Ah, shit.
My vet barks like good too when
I'm not gonna lie, I feel like the loudest cars out, and not even because I own one, bro. If y'all ever been behind of a Coyote with long tubes, straight pipe, fuck. Big difference though from last time to now?
yeah.
That's that Cobra Jet, my boy.
Feels like really healthy.
Uno que si la bajó los huevos, huh? Like it just opened everything up. I don't need 1,000 horsepower yet. Yet.
Especially when you're not in the.
When I'm not driving it, I'm in the passenger seat.
Yeah, feels like really healthy there.
My hands are literally like, my palms are sweaty. I don't even know. I'm not nervous, but fuck, this car's different when you're in the passenger seat. I'd rather you hit it off of second than first. I feel like we're just gonna. 'Cause we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like we're just gonna spin on first. I feel like I felt my stomach hit my ass. Oh fuck. From second, wind it all the way to 7. All the way to 7. Shit. I feel like I drank a Red Bull. Watch out right there.
He's my friend, right?
That's your best friend? You see how quick I close that cutout? That's just like instinct. Like, that shit is crazy, like a fucking Prius.
Like, what the fuck? The Prius just drive through. Now he's on.
Super loud. Don't hit it, he's gonna hear you. He's gonna hear you. Yeah, he probably heard that. Next, y'all, probably E85 and long tubes. We'll squeeze every single power we can off this car before it's time to go boost. Let it eat, let it eat, let it eat.
You're not nervous. If I was in that seat, I'd be like,
My stomach's in my ass right now. I'm like, fuck.
sorry, you're really good.
God damn.
Those cars are like, holy shit.
Man, me.
Yeah, when you're not driving and you see that shifting, it's like, holy shit.
Y'all, yesterday was the first day that I checked the car out after the exhaust. And from first to second, with the traction control on, the car got super sideways. Where I'm like, all right, y'all, let me calm down. Let me get home real quick before this week stop don't make it home.
That's when I get scared. We only see one sheriff, so that was good.
Yeah. Mind you, this video is AI. This is all edited. Shout out to my editor. You're real good. No. This is not the car for that. Nah, nigga. Hold on. This is not the car for that. I'm telling you. Oh, for real. Yo! Hell no! God! Oh my God! This ain't the Fox body where the car wants to. No, bro. This car, once it goes out, fuck. Oh my God! I got a headache now from that. I swear to God. Fuck. I almost see myself retelling this whole video like Papa Legacy crashed the S197. Fuck, good ride along. Good forward power, man. Good forward power. What do you think?
Yeah.
Good upgrades?
Looks and moves.
Yo, that last like stunt, I'm not acting, bro. These type of cars, I've driven a lot of cars, bro. This Mustang is the one where like once you get squirrely on you, getting it back on track, man, you think this shit's funny, boy. My fucking heart. But that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed the ride along video and you want to see more ride along videos like this, maybe my pop drives it again after supercharged 85 when it's a lot more horsepower and with a drag pack, bro, because this car is not safe with how the setup is right now. It's your boy Legacy Jr. I'm out. Till next time, comment, like, subscribe. Peace.